Hello, it's Gem Games here, and in this video I'm going to show you quickly how to use this FAB inside Unreal Engine. So yeah, let's get started. You want to go to your Epic Games launcher and to your library, and you want to search for a FAB. Okay, you should have this FAB UI plugin. You want to install the engine. You want to select the matching engine, or start. After that has installed, you want to open the Unreal Engine and go to any project. After your project has opened, you also should have this new browser window open, and you have to log into the FAB. Okay. Now that I have logged in, I can go back to the project, and I want to go to the window, and here, get content FAB. It should open this window. I can move this to here, and yeah, now we have FAB opened here. Okay. And if we want, we can go to the price, free, and let's get something, maybe like this. And we can just add it to the project like this. Okay, it will take a little while, so I'll skip this part. Now, after that has installed, you should have this new folder here where you have all the things that you just downloaded. So, like this. I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.